Prepare to die, Dora.
What do you mean, prepare to die?
Well, I have a couple friends who are going to kill you. They are Eric Smith, David Smith, Earthworm Jim, Garfield, Genie from Aladdin, and Nick Wilde.
And what about Claudio and Jeffy?
Oh, they're staying out there until the severe case is over. Everyone, get Dora right now.
Latios, come here.
Let me do this. Latios, use Luster Purge on Dora.
What?
Plan A, senseless violence. Okay, muchacho, eat dirt!
By the power of the signal.
Ow.
You know what? This is getting boring.
Oh, yeah?
And now for the grenade.
I'm almost dying. I can't live anymore.
Well, Dora, I think this is goodbye for you now. So,
Hang in there.
Who's laughing now?
This nightmare is finally over. Dora the Explorer is now dead.
alright guys, let's revive Gavin Graham and Judy Hopps.
Wow, police, I have been revived by you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And Kirby came back from the moon.
What are we going to do with Dora's body?
Well, we are going to take her body away.
Well, alright, police. You take care of it, and the rest of us will go home, alright?
Alright, if you need anything, call us, and we'll help you.
News update. Dora the Explorer is now dead.
The end. Stay tuned for Longest Soundfix Video 4, because Little Bill will be here. This 4.
Cut. Take 2. And play where we left off.
The end. And stay tuned for the Longest Soundfix Video 4, because Little Bill will be here soon.